Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of free plugins you may like. In today's video, we'll be checking out another interesting free VST plugin for music producers. And the plugin we are talking about is AnaMatrix Lite, and it is by Analogy. As you can see, this is the light version of the AnaMatrix VST plugin by Analogy. And according to their Gumroad page, this plugin, as you can see, is free and limited trial of AnaMatrix with 16 presets. So if you're interested to have the full version, you can now make a purchase of it. But for now, you can get it at $0. All you need to do is to type in 0 here and click on I want this. So moving forward, they said, set into the world of authentic vintage inspired sound designed with AnaMatrix, the latest virtual instrument from Analogy, designed for music producers, composers, and sound designers. AnaMatrix delivers fast, lush, and very analog sounds thanks to meticulously sampled waveforms from the iconic vintage synthesizer. And you can see it is available for both Windows and Mac, and it runs on all popular DAWs: Ableton Live, Logic Pro, FL Studio, Reaper, and more. So I believe you heard the track I tried to put together at the beginning of this video. All those sounds you heard, apart from the drums, came from the VST plugin. And looking at the UI, you can say it is quite an interesting one. Talking about the features, over here you can see it came with a lo-fi slide. You can see the depth. Here you can change in the types of waveforms it came with. You can see the triangle, the sine, the saw, the square, and the exponent. Below is the pitch, the expression, and pan. All these are features to manipulate the sound. You can see the glide if that is what you're going for. Here is the velocity. You can switch it from legato, mono, or poly. And here you can access the presets it came with. It's much bigger than this, but we are using the light version, so we are limited to the amount of presets we can access. Here you can see the filter, the low pass, you see the envelope, the decay, the sustain, the release. And over here you can see the gain slide. And below here you can see the effects it came with: the distortion, chorus, delay, and reverb with this global volume knob here. So let's jump right into the demonstration to hear some of the presets. But before then, these are the presets that I used. And it was playing this. I just used what is available to try to recreate the track, alright? And this one, I use that to achieve this. And finally, I use this VST here for the guitar. So let's have a listen. But one thing here is this particular VST instrument is also available for free, but it's not AnaMatrix. So if you want to check out which VST is this, simply comment plugins and I'm going to reply you with the name. So back to the factory presets. On this one, you can see the Azim, which sounds like this. And you can agree with me, it sounds really nice. So about the glide, I believe you know what it does. So you had that. It makes the sound to glide into another note. Alright, so here is the other preset. Alright, I believe you heard it, but don't take it for what I'm saying. I'll be leaving the link to this plugin in the description. Try it out and let us know what you think about it in the comments. As always, stay creative, stay focused, and see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.